Good morning, peoples. Got another video. By Proverbs 8, do not wisdom cry, and understanding put forth her voice. She standeth in the top of the high places, by the way in the places of the path. She cried out at the gates, at the entry of the city, at the coming in at the doors. Unto you, O men, I call, my voice is to the sons of man. O you simple, understand wisdom, and ye fools, be ye of understanding heart. Hear, for I will speak of excellent things, and the opening of my lips shall be right things. For my mouth shall speak truth, and wickedness is abomination to my lips. All my words of my mouth are in righteousness. There is nothing forward or perverse in them. They are all plain to those who understand, and right to them that find knowledge. Receive my instructions, and not silver, and knowledge rather than choice of gold. For wisdom is better than rubies, and all things that may be desired are not to be compared to it. I, wisdom, dwell with prudence, and find out knowledge of witty inventions. Counsel is mine, and sound wisdom I am understanding. I have strength. By me kings reign, and princes decree justice. By me princes rule, and nobles, even all the judges of the earth. Riches and honor are with me, yea, durable riches and righteousness. I lead in the way of righteousness in the midst of the paths of judgment, that I may cause those that love me to inherit in substance, and I will fill their treasures. Charge them that are rich in this world, that they be not high-minded, nor trust in uncertain riches, but in the living God, who giveth us richly all things to enjoy, that they do good, that they be rich in good works, ready to distribute, willing to communicate, laying up in a store in themselves a good foundation, against the time to come, that they may lay hold of eternal life. Talk to y'all later. Bye.